Hey guys, Triple Vet here. Haven't been live in a while, but we are live again. We are at Dominion Raceway, and we're going to do a little event they call Track Attack. It's just basically like an intro into track driving. Seems for like novices. I kind of misread the description when I first signed up and ended up getting myself into, I don't know, whatever. We'll see. It should be still a little bit of fun. Any time on the track is better than sitting at home on the couch or sitting in traffic. Don't even get me started on that one. But yeah, so we're here out of Dominion, and guess what? It's raining again. It just kind of stopped, but you can see the puddles. The rain has kind of stopped and let off a little bit, but it is so wet. Hey, Ange. So I'm apparently just never meant to drive this track. I know what I'm doing. I guess I'm just never meant to drive this track in the dry. So, yeah. Further, the next big change is Triple Vet's not here. We're taking the Mercedes, and Miss Rachel's riding along. So, long story as to why the Corvette isn't going to be driven, and now I'm locked out of the Mercedes. I don't know why that just happened. Long story as to why Triple Vet's not here. But short, whatever to it is, it's at the dealership, or it's at a shop, it's at whatever, getting worked on. Had all kinds of issues with it, and traction control, and all kinds of things here recently. So, I'm trying to drive and put my seatbelt on and talk and hold the phone. It's not really working out, so I'm just going to be... Yeah, that would be great. You'd be a good little assistant. Look at that. A little phone mount. I like that. So, anywho. Yes, so I am not going to be able to go live the entire time. Unfortunately. You need to put that somewhere. I understand. Thank you. But because I don't have a phone mount, because my phone mount is in my Corvette. So, oh well, that is what it is. I will, however, be recording some of this stuff with my GoPro, so I will be posting that here soon. I'll probably go live a little bit later. Maybe I can have Rachel, maybe I can have Rachel hold the phone here in a little while and kind of play that game. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, for now, you can see I am now lined up in the paddock, and it is still very much wet, even though it has, in fact, stopped raining. Let us see Rachel drive. Can
I drive?
I don't think she's supposed to, but maybe. We'll see. That might actually happen. That might go down. I don't know. Anyways, all right, I'm going to go so I can get the camera set up and whatnot. Angelique seconds that opinion. We'll see if we can't sneak Rachel in for a couple laps here. I don't know. See what happens. Anyways, all right, guys, I'm going to set up my camera and get this stuff ready to go. I'll see you guys in a little while. Peace.
Hey. Yeah, I am. I'm talking to you on my wrist. Say what? It's not stupidly slow because the track's really wet, so it's, whatever. I'm in the Mercedes, so if I'd have been in the Corvette, probably it would have been really slow. But there's a couple of corners that I'm able to get it a little bit snippy. Okay. I mean, it's certainly not a track day, and I would blow by all these guys in my car, but yeah, whatever. I've been fiddle farting with the car trying to find this screen for like it's got a you know, it shows the G-forces and all these things and whatnot. So I've been fiddle farting with that like the whole time. So if that tells you how much concentration I'm putting into this. With okay. Yeah, yeah. All right, man. Later.
That's so weird.
What?
What are you talking about your wrist?
Hey guys, Triple Vet's back here again. We finished our little lapping sessions. We had a good time. Shout out as always to my sponsors, Rail and Wasting Gas and Diddy Dips and Jackal Graphics and Wheel Experts and Modulari and TG Motorsports and yeah, all that good stuff. Even though you guys weren't represented, unfortunately, on the car today, but you were represented on my shirt and my giant billboard-sized body. All right. So, anyways, we finished our lapping sessions. It was actually, honestly, a lot of fun. Even though, I mean, there were sections. Obviously, it wasn't flat out all the way through, but you know, there were enough knowledgeable people here that there were some gaps that you could kind of set up. We did get to the point where Ms. Raquel could not handle, and I had to pull off and let her out. The passenger, but you know, it was still fun, I'm sure, for her. Yes, was it?
Oh yeah,
was it fun?
was
Tell
fun.
the people.
I just little rumbly.
Some rumblies and the tumblies. Probably faster than I honestly. I'm gonna look up some of the times and try and whatever, because I may have been in some sections, not overall, because on the front straight we were kind of limited, so I didn't get to go. You know, I think maybe max that I touched was like 90 here, trying to give a little bit of space so I could then go through the corners a little bit faster. But definitely, I'm gonna time some of the sections, and maybe I was sliding. I mean, I got to watch some of it from like the outside, and the people next to her apparently commented that I'm gonna need new tires, because I was just all over the place. It was a lot of fun.
I sat out the third session and took some photos.
Yeah, I certainly pushed that car. I'm not going to say to its full limits. It was still, you know, obviously, like I said, the braking in the straightaway, whatnot. But all in all, it got a workout. It certainly got a workout. A lot more than the regular highway stuff that it does. So she held up fine. It was good. No, Rachel did not drive, unfortunately. Perhaps if there were one more session, maybe, but I think she was a little too woozy for that. So, anyways, we're gonna go inside and check out, see what they've got. Even though I don't know, it doesn't look like there's too much going on, so we may not stay very long. But again, shout out to all the sponsors. We love you. You didn't actually pay for this one, but you know, still love you guys. Anyways, from another wet Dominion. Mwah. See you guys.
Bye.